Holidays are a great time for children to have fun and take a break from school. But did you know that you can turn their holiday fun into learning adventures? Here are 3 ways to do just that. First, take them on a museum trip. Museums are a great way to introduce children to history, art, and science. Second, involve them in cooking. Cooking is not only a practical skill but also involves math, science, and reading. Third, encourage them to garden. Gardening teaches children responsibility, patience, and the science of plant growth. By incorporating these activities into their holiday fun, you can turn their break from school into a learning adventure. For more educational content, subscribe to Mudhal Paatham.